2-piece rohu or katla fish steak. 200-gram basmati rice. 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1½ tablespoon of turmeric powder. Salt. 2 big onion, finely sliced. 2 medium-sized potato. We need whole garam masala. ½ tablespoon of cumin, 2 bay leaves, 2 black cardamom, 8 to 9 green cardamom, 8 to 9 cloves, cinnamon, small piece of nutmeg, small piece of mace, and small piece of star anise. 2 tablespoons of Everest Shahi Biryani masala. Curd, 150 gram. Marinate fish with salt and turmeric. And keep it aside for 15 minutes. Marinate potato for 15 minutes with pinch salt, sugar, turmeric and water. Make a mixture of curd, turmeric, red chili powder, biryani masala, salt, ginger garlic paste, and whole garam masala. For rice, make a spice bag with whole garam masala. It will make the rice more aromatic. Heat 100 grams of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Heat oil till it gets smoky. Now slightly fry the fish steaks. After frying fish, add onion in the same oil. With pinch of salt, fry onion till its color changes to light. Keep aside some fried onion, which will be used as barista. Now add potato and masala with little water. Fry the masala till oil separates from it. Masala seems to be ready, as oil has started to separate from masala. Let's prepare rice for biryani. Take water in a saucepan. Add 2 tablespoons salt. Add ½ tablespoon turmeric. Add spice bag. And bring the water to boil. When the water starts boiling, add pre-soaked basmati rice. Cook the rice till it is half cooked. Now the rice is done. Strain the rice. And remove the spice bag. Now to cook biryani slowly at low temperature, we will pour the cooked masala along with fish in a pressure cooker. This is our final step of cooking fish biryani. We will add little water. Spread the rice over the masala. Now spread barista over it. We can also add chopped coriander leaf. Now cover the lid and cook it for 15 minutes at low temperature. Here I have set the temperature to 600 and set the timer to 15 minutes. That's it. Our fish biryani is ready. Serve the fish biryani in your plate. And enjoy the delicious food.